This is a Hisense refrigerator. I was not able to fix it because the compressor is grounded. So I started taking all the parts out of it. And this here is the heating element. It's when your refrigerator gets cool and builds ice. This is what turns on to take out the ice. If this doesn't work, your refrigerator will get a bunch of ice built up in it. You'll hear the fan clipping the ice, it'll get louder. And then eventually, your refrigerator will not cool. You'll also see ice on the walls of your freezer. So if any of that happens, it's because a heating element has been broken. Anyway, they're about $40 on eBay. So take